Hi, my name is Noolate. Welcome to Design and Code. In the next 5 minutes, I'll be showing you some brief trick about HTML and CSS. In case you've been seeing code around and you're wondering how it works, don't worry, it's not that difficult. Now, we'll be taking HTML and CSS. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding about how HTML and CSS work. Now, the first on my list is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now, what it means is the web needs something to work with. The web needs to understand how to display some content. So HTML serves as a structure of the web. Now, on the other hand, CSS, which stands for Cascading Stylesheet, is a way to kind of to style the element on the page. While HTML allows you to declare the structure of your page, CSS, on the other hand, allow you to beautify the elements on the page. HTML have some sort of things to pay attention to. And one of them is HTML have an opening tag and a closing tag. In the opening tag, you have the attributes where you give the browser more information about the tag. On the other hand, you have the closing tag, which have a backslash symbol to indicate to the browser that that is the end of the tag declaration. Now, between those two tags, you have where you declare your content. Let's talk about CSS in a bit. CSS is, like I said, is cascading style sheets that allow you to beautify your content. Now, for every CSS, you have to target the element on the page. It can be H1, target an element with ID. You can target an element with class name. You can even target an element with attributes. When you target an element, you make your CSS declaration. Now, for every declaration, you always have your the value that will help you tell the browser what kind of design to attach to that specific tag on the page. Let's take a look at an example. Okay, so a good example is when you take either your text editor or any of the IDE to write your first HTML and CSS. What you need to do is just make sure that you save the file with the .html extension. And the first thing you want to do is to declare your doc type. Once you're done declaring your doc type, you've helped the browser to understand that you'll be writing on HTML5. The next thing you want to do is to declare your HTML. You'll see that for every of our declaration from this HTML, we'll have opening tag and a closing tag. Then you say HTML. You can see the backslash. First thing you want to do is to declare your head. For instance, if you say head, the closing tag of the head, then so the head is where you put your title, you tell the browser several information about your web application. One way to look at it is you need a title for your site. Between the head, you declare your title. You say title, then you're closing the first tag, then you have your closing tag, backslash, which is very important. Then between, you declare your title. You can say my first website. If you save, you see that nothing still happened on our web page. But let me show you how that works. If I copy this link and I open another browser and I paste the link, you see that at the top, we have my first website. So that's the title of our website. So imagine we want to declare our first H1, our first header, and you say H1, closing tag, then Once you save, you'll see that our first header is showing on our web page. Now, if we want to target and style our first header, we'll be declaring our CSS as an external file. So I just need to create a new file and say style.css. Then I want to target the H1. Then I'll say color, make it red. And if I save, nothing really happened because I've not told the CSS to point to the style sheet. So in the head, we need to link to the style sheet. If I save, you see that our style is red. We can come to the CSS and make several declarations. We can say, you save, something happened. If you have any question, just make the comment on the video. I'll be willing to take any comments. Thank you. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel.